Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to get a proper message or your own value when you use a VLOOKUP, and a VLOOKUP is couldn't find the lookup value in the list. Okay, or how to avoid this error. Okay, two ways you can do it. One, to fix this error by giving a proper message or your own value, or you can make sure your wrong value is not entered at all. Okay, so I use this example. I have a product and sales. I have about uh, 25 products and their respective sales. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the sales for a particular single product, and using the VLOOKUP. For example, I use the Alice Mutton, and find using the VLOOKUP lookup and lookup table. Lookup value is lookup value is Alice Mutton. This value I want to look it up, and the table array is the full array. Okay, then the column index is what is the column you want to return, which is the sales column, which is the second column, and range of lookup is the exact match. I want to find out the exact match. Close the bracket, then you get 2946. You get Boston crab meat. What happens, it automatically changes to 2659. Okay, now the problem comes when you use different spelling or some misspelling the product. Then that product name is not available in the list, the item is not available, the lookup value is not available, then the corresponding sales value become not available. Okay, this looks very odd in the worksheet, it's a Excel error message not available. So how to fix this error message? If it is not available, then how can you flag it a proper error message? Okay, that one you can do it using if na function. If na Okay, if na function gives you, if you send a value, if that value is not available, then it will replace with some other value. What is the value you want to replace? For example, you want to replace 0 for those non-available items, then you can put 0, the value 0, but which is very misleading, that this product is not available, still you want to put a sales 0, whether product is available and sales is 0, or is because the product is not available and sales 0. Okay, so if you deliberately want to make it those non-available product the value is 0, then is fine, you put a 0. Or you want to flag it out a proper message, error message, then you must put the message here, the product is not available. Then it's very fine that it is a very proper message is displayed in the sales, and the product is not available. Okay, but the thing is that if you make the product is not available, it's a string, or if you are going to use it for adding again all the sales, those lookup sales, and then it is going to be a problem. So you must decide whether you want to make the sales 0 or the proper error message. Okay, then okay, so this if not available error, then this function can be used and work with those not available errors. Okay, you can fix the not available errors with a message or a different value what you want to put in. Okay, and now how can I avoid? You can avoid this error by instead of giving this one the user to enter or yourself to enter, you can make it this one as a list box data and data validation. Okay, then go to the allow a list. Okay, the list value is going to be in the product list itself. Okay, this way you can avoid the you can select from the list, so there is no question of wrong typing. Okay, but you can type in directly, then it will say the value doesn't match the data validation restriction. So the in the first place itself you cannot type the value. Okay, so you need to either type the value properly or you must select. Okay, this way you can avoid this non-availability error in VLOOKUP. Hope this video is helpful to you, and see you on the next video, and please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.